Good. And shoulder, shoulder, turn left, shoulder, shoulder, turn left, shoulder, a little bit forwards and change. Forwards and change. Ah, well, keep it good up. Yeah, keep it good up. Up and let go. Up and let go. And a little bit longer. Come, and shorter. Up and soft. Turn right. Keeping good up. And forwards and change. Did you change before you did give the aids? Keeping good up. Keeping up. Up. And canter. Keep him up. He's going too short in the neck. Keep him up. Yes. Good. Yes. Oh, yes. Turn left. Keep him up. And change forwards. Easy, jawohl. Keeping good up. Now remember, when we change from the right to the left, get good your left hip forwards and the right leg a little bit back, but keep his head a little bit higher. Otherwise we stop too much the shoulder. Turn right, keeping good up, and forwards and change. Well, but you have to watch, you try to come always a little bit too early, Up and let go. Yes. Good. Yeah. That's it. Keeping good up. Turn left. Keeping good up. Keep him up, and change, keeping good up. Yeah, that's what better. Keep it up. Don't let him hang down there. Up. Yeah, that's it. Turn the right, keep it good up. Up, a little higher. Up, and change, keeping good up. Forwards. Yeah. Try to keep him a little bit more up. Good. Half volte. Keep him up. Half volte. Half. Good. And change. Yeah. Good. Keep going. Changing a little bit. Drop your left now and change. Drop your left. And you change. Wait. Keep cantering. Yeah, forwards. Good, turn right. And now you're sinking half past left. Now, half past. Half on. Now we have to get this hind leg a little bit quicker. Good. So a little bit half past left. Half past left and straight, half past right. Left leg back. Easy, yeah. Good. Keeping good up. Yes, keeping good up and soft. Up and soft. Now gentle flexion and half past left. And now. Good, come on. Yeah, that was a little cheating, but anyway, half past. And change. Yeah, come on, good. Don't make the half pass too strong with the inside hand. Keeping good up. And canter, up in heaven. Good. Keep him up. Make sure half circle on the serpentine. This flying change. Turn, smaller. And change. Now left leg back. Yes. That's what good. Keeping good up. Try to make it a little smaller, the serpentine. A little smaller. Keep him up. Left leg back and now right leg back. Yeah, very nice. And walk. and walk and pat him. Give a rest. Good? You take